Hi there. Into this tutorial I will show you how to create a view type 3 application, a view type 4, a view type 5 and a view type 6 application. Let me start by giving you an example of a view type 3 application. If you go to this group over here and I go into the menu bar to the application City, Industries and Companies, I select the application, then you will find out that in all four type of applications there are three areas foreseen. This is area 1, this is area 2 and this is area 3. You will also see that both areas are connected. If I select Sacramento into area 1, then I will have all industries from Sacramento into area 2. If I select manufacturing into area 2, then I will have all companies from Sacramento manufacturing into area 3. Also, each area is of course automatically foreseen from a drop-down box containing the options update, delete, display and insert. If I take the display function, and here we can start displaying the city information. Press enter to go back to the application again. Same thing for area 2. Select the drop-down box. I will select the update function and you can start updating. Also, each area is foreseen from a search function, but you have to keep an eye on this area indicator here. At the moment it says area 2, so if you activate the search function now, then you can start looking for a string, a text into area 2, like it says over here, search into area 2. If I for instance take from insurance, here you go, here is insurance, and the same thing for area 3. Now we are going to create, this is a view type 3 application, we are going to recreate this application into our group. Let's go to our group, and our group was called, I do the command start group, our group was called my group. Press enter and here is our group. On top you will see the applications we have created last time, the employees, the sales, the companies. If I go back in further into the menu bar, we have our view type 2 application containing industries and companies. We are now going to create a view type 3. How do you do that? You press the button new on top right top corner and you start creating your application. First of all, you fill in of course your description, and I will call it example view type 3 application, member short name and also the name of the application used into the menu bar, view type 3 I will say, the program I will call get city industries company. Press enter. The source library is always our demo library, but the type of view is now view 3. Press enter. Now you have your three fields where you can fill in the files for area 1, the file for area 2 and the file used into area 3. Our file for area 1 is called city L1. The file for area 2 is called city industry L1 and the file for area 3 is called company L3, and you press enter to generate your RPG source. So let's go and have a look at the source. Source is over here. This is, as I said, get city industry company. It's RPG LE. Let's have a quick look at the source. Heading. We have here our files. The file city L1, city industry L1, company L3 with their file data structures. Here, three data structures for one data structure for each file. In total, three data structures. If I page down, Then we have our data for file 1, the data for file 2, and the data for file 3. Our prototyping, 3 pointers, 1 for each file, and the key fields. If we go to the main program lines, then you will see that we have 4 subroutines for each file. The first subroutine is doing a set lower limit, the second one is doing a read, third one do a read previous equal, and this is set greater than. These are the 4 for the file city, these are the 4 for the file city industry, and these 4 for the file company. Let's have a look at the subroutines. I'll page down. This is just a set LL, like this, for the cities, and the company data. Let's create this program and see what happens. I do create bind RPG. The program is called get, like this, into our library demo. The RPG source is also into our demo library presenter. Done. Let's go and have a look at the results. Here is our application. Select the application, press enter. Our area 1, our area 2, and our area 3. We have already the drop down box for area 1, area 2, and area 3. As you can see, I'll select delete function, and same thing for area 3. And there is a foreseen a search function for each area. At the moment the indicator says you're in area 1, so you can start searching items into area 1. But we still have to connect the areas. We have to do something additional to connect area 1 with area 2 and area 2 with area 3. So let's go back to our source. If I take the RPG program and you go to the subroutines, if you want to connect area 1 with area 2, then you have to do something additional, like it says over here. It says over here, if you want to connect area 2 with area 1, then you can use data coming from data structure 1 to populate the key fields for file in area 2. So you make this, the RPG generator already generated you the evaluation, the develop command for your key fields. And for this file city industry there are 3 key fields, so you have to fill in data from data structure 1 to connect area 1 with area 2. So you take fields from file city and you populate the key field from city industry, and you do the same thing for area 3, but this time you will take fields coming from data structure 2, of course, like it says over here. I put my cursor here. If you want to connect area 3 with area 2, then you can use data coming from data structure 2, not data structure 1, to populate the key fields for file company L3 into area 3. Once you have done that, then you just recompile the program. Let me show you how the source looks like after the changes. Option 5, and we'll go to the subroutines, and here we are. So the key field for the file into area 2, which is city industry, has only one key field, as this one, CI field 01, and you take a field from data structure 1 and you populate the key field from the file into area 2, and you repeat that for every subroutine for concerned file and area. And the same thing, of course, for our last file, company L3, into area 3. Yes, there are two key fields involved in this case. Once you've done that, for all four subroutines, you just recompile the program. Let's recompile the program. Okay, the program is recompiled. Now let's go and have a look at the results. I will first go out of the application and I'll go back into the application. If I select Rockville, I'm gonna have all industries from Rockville into area 2. If I select finance from Rockville into area 2, I will have all finance companies from Rockville into area 3. This is how you create a view type 3 program. The search function is automatically foreseen and also the drop-down box containing the options. Okay, now for what concerns a view type 4. A view type 4, you do exactly the same things as we have done for a view type 3. A view type 4 also consists out of 3 areas, but you can also make from view type 3, you can make a view type 4 just by clicking upon the button change view. Let me show you. Here you go. Now this is area 1, it became a bit bigger. This is area 2 and this is area 3. If I click upon the button again, then I will go to a view type 5. This is view type 5. Area 1, area 2, area 3. If I click upon the bottom again, then we have a view type 6. Area 1, area 2, area 3. If I click upon the bottom again, I'm going to have a view type 6. And then we go back to view type 3. Okay. Into our next tutorial, I will show you how to create a view type 7 application. Thanks for watching.